Do you wanted to learn everything about SEO? Then this video for you. In this video, I'll let you know each and everything that you need to know about SEO. Mostly people think learning SEO is a very difficult thing, but in reality, this is not. You just need to know about the basics because basics always remain same. If you already know basics, you just need to be more grounded on the basics. At the end of this video, I'll make sure you'll be able to do SEO by your own without any expert. So let's start with the definition of SEO. In a very simple way, we can say that SEO is stand for search engine optimization. So SEO is the ongoing process of increasing number of visitor on your website. Long story short, we can say that it is an ongoing process, ongoing practice of increasing number of visitor on your specific website. This is not like that you did SEO once and you forget about it. It is an ongoing process. You have to do SEO again and again, time to maintain your ranking on the top pages of Google. Let's have a look on common example. For instance, someone is searching for yoga mats on Google, and most likely they're seeking for different types of yoga mats as well as their features, sizes, pricing, colors, and a proximity to a store where they may purchase this yoga mat. And you are someone who are content creator and you write an article on yoga mats, definitely you want more people read your article. So for this purpose, your article must be ranked top on the Google pages. However, this is not much easy, but here SEO comes, and here SEO will help you to rank on the top pages of Google so you can attract more traffic and more people can read your article. Let me just tell you a little about the history of search engine optimization. It is thought history of search engine is not much old. You can say SEO began around 1991, about the same time when first website was born. And these two young men that you are seeing on the screen, they are Larry Page and Brian. Actually, they are the co-founder of search engine. And the reason behind the invention of SEO was helping people by giving them high quality, relevant content. And the finding, because finding relevant content is not difficult today, but if we see in the past it was very difficult to find relevant content, because after the first website a large number of websites start to appear and start uploading different content of different niches. So it was very difficult for audience to find a relevant content on the Google. So here Google see an opportunity and start to build a algorithm and start ranking content on the basis of quality, relevancy, and intent. So this is how search engine began, and these standards are still remain today. Google still rank content on the basis of these three things. It is very crucial to know how Google search engine works. Actually, Google search engine works in three steps: crawling, indexing, and ranking. So let's say you wrote an article and you publish on your website. What search engine will do? It will give you a signal to your search engine crawler. Crawlers start to read your article and try to understand what you want to say, what your intent, what you're talking about, what you want to communicate. So after reading the article, when Google understand what you want to communicate, it start indexing on the basis of three criteria that I mentioned earlier: quality, relevancy of the content, and intent. After indexing your content on these three things, Google start to rank your content on these three basic criterias, like 1, 2, 3, 5. And so this is how search engine work. And SEO makes sure your content should be according to the Google standard, like it should be relevant, it should be intent, and it should be have the equal amount of quality as well. So Google search engine will pick your content and try and rank your content on the top pages so you can get more visitor on your content. This is how SEO work, and this is how search engine work. There is actually three types of SEO: on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. And the complete package of SEO is actually based on these three type of SEO. So you don't need to worry about all this stuff. We will discuss each type of SEO in very detail. In on-page SEO includes like your meta description, your user-friendly URL, keyword searching, alt text. Never confused at this point with all these terms. I'll be discuss each factor in detail. But let me tell you, On-page SEO is something which is 99% controllable. I mean, on-site SEO, on-page SEO, which we call on-site SEO, everything in your hand. So you can control 99% of on-page SEO by your own, by doing good keyword research, by writing good meta description, by generating user-friendly URL. All these things are controllable, which you can control 99%. Okay, so in off-page SEO, you can say it is something which is 50% in your control, because it based upon some backlinks of other websites and some social media platforms. And social media platforms are something which is not in our control. And actually, these are the sport for off-page SEO is actually the sport for your content, from different backlinks to your content and from different social media sites to get more visitor. So it is something which is 50% controllable. I mean, if you post a content on your website and you give a very relevant backlinks to your content, definitely it will help you to generate revenue, but it is not sure every backlink will be clicked by the audience. So then it came technical SEO, which is all about search engine, like crawling, indexing, ranking. It's all about how search engine crawl your content, how index it, how rank your content. So this is something which is not controllable, because it's all about search engine itself. What we can do, we just can give search engine signals in the form of relevant content by providing quality content, by understanding good user intent. We just give signals to the search engine to rank content high on the top pages of Google. So this is something which is, on this we have to rely on search engine itself. These are the some factors that are highly affecting on-page SEO. Actually, there is more than 200 factors that are affecting on SEO, but these are the few very crucial factors that have highly impact on your SEO. Content, quality of content, intent, relevancy of content, keyword searching, title tag, meta description, H1 tag, SEO friendly URL, and alt text. These are really crucial factors. You have to understand each and every factor, and in this video I will let you know each and every factor in very detail, so you have better understanding how it works and how can you apply on your SEO. Let's talk about the very first factor that is affecting on SEO, which is content. You might think, why content is so important in search engine optimization? Actually, Google desperately want to give high quality and relevant content to their users, because this is Google mission to provide best user experience. So if Google don't do this, it's mean Google failing in its mission, and definitely Google don't want this. So that's why content is very crucial part, and there are three basic content writing standards: quality of the content, intent, and the relevancy of the content. In quality of the content, it means content should be standard, empower the audience, and satisfy the all audience need. And intent, Google is very much concerning about intent. It's mean Google is already very good in understanding the user intent, because Google really cares about what people are typing in the search bar. So your content is able to answer all the queries who people asking for. So your content should be need to answer all the queries, so Google will find your content helping the people and can rank top in the search engine. So if we talk about the relevancy, it is also very crucial element in SEO. It means content should be support the main idea. I mean, if for example, if you say something about the main idea, you should have something that is supporting the main idea in the form of infographics, backlinks, internal links, or well-labeled images. And moreover, content relevancy automatically gives signals to Google Index to rank your content top pages of the Google, because content relevancy is directly toward customer satisfaction. If your customer is satisfied, definitely Google pick up your content and will rank on the top pages of Google. For SEO content writing, there is few steps that you need to know. First of all, understand what your user is searching for. I mean, if you have good idea what your user is searching for, there is a great chance for you to be successful in this. For this purpose, you can use Google Analytics and more wonderful websites that can give you an idea what people are looking for. So second one is know how can you satisfy your client giving them perfect content in the form of solution of their queries. See, if you have an idea what your user are looking for, what your audience is looking for, definitely there is a great chance for you to give answer according to them. For example, let's say someone is looking for yoga mats and you have Google Analytics show you, another website show you what people are searching for. Definitely there is a great chance for you to providing them a solution with the yoga mats. I mean, you can provide different colors of yoga mats, near location around them in your article, and everything that they're looking for. And there's a great chance for Google Index as well to rank your content on top because your content have all the solution of their problems. This is if you align with the your mission is aligned with the Google mission, definitely Google will rank your content. Other thing is break the text into small paragraphs. You know, people hate to read long paragraphs. They didn't like to read whole paragraph. That's why to make it interactive with your audience, try to break your text into small paragraph so your user can show interest in it. Last but not least, always end with actionable steps by asking their opinion about the content or asking any question that will also help you to improve your own content by their feedback. And you can also ask for their opinion, I mean their experience, how they seen this content, is this content is helpful for them, and what their is they have any experience before, or what should I do to improve my content, do I miss anything, these kind of questions. You know, these kind of questions will trigger response in your audience, and once your audience start to respond in your article, definitely there's a great chance for you to Google will pick your content and make it work for you. Second very crucial part that you need to know in SEO process is keyword searching. We can say keyword searching is considered as the backbone of your SEO process. And what keyword is? Keywords are that specific words that people are typing in the search bar for searching something. So by doing good keyword searching, you can rank high on Google search engine for that specific topic. So what you need to do while doing keyword searching, first of all, you need to categorize keywords into two categories such as primary keywords and secondary keywords on your Excel sheet so you can easily use them. Primary keywords are something that you need to use at the start of the paragraph or title, and secondary after that. So if you are someone who is new, let me tell you, you don't need to pay for keyword searching, and there's a lot of good websites like ubersuggest.com on the internet that are gonna provide you services of for free keyword search with the search volume as well. So go for them first. If you want to know more about keyword searching, I mean how to do keyword search, what kind of websites we should use, what factors we need to know while doing keyword searching, let me know in the comment box so I can make a separate video on that to clear all the queries that you have in your mind. After keyword searching, it comes title tag. What title tag is? It is a part of HTML. So if we talk about how it looks like, it is like a main heading that indicates specific topic. So if we say in this image, you can see highlighted red area indicates the title tag. Here are few tips for writing a good title tag according to SEO standards. First of all, length should be like 50 to 60 characters. Number 2, use keywords in the first place. According to my personal analysis of different title tags, I found that using keywords at the right position of the title help you to rank high. So try to use keyword at the start of the title. Number 3, try to write proper brief title with keyword of user intent. Number 4, use call to action words in your title, like learn 5 tips to do this, such kind of things. Number 5, use number in your title tag. For example, top 5 strategies, top 5 secrets, like this. So definitely these little things will help you to trigger your user to click on your specific article. Then it comes meta description. Meta description is actually the summary that describes the content of that particular web page. You can see this is how meta description looks like. Actually, meta description is very crucial part of SEO because people will let know about the content with meta description. Where it goes shared by on social media, so meta description should be well defined, covered with user intent keywords, so user will find it attractive. Few things that you need to know before writing meta description for your article. First of all, you should treat meta description as an advertisement of your web page because meta description is something which can define the whole content of your web page. So it should be so attractive, so readable, rich with keywords, and the length should be not more than like 140 to 160 characters. Length should be between 140 to 160 characters. So these few things that you need to know before writing good meta description according to SEO standards. For optimizing your specific web page, H1 tag is also very crucial because H1 tag is a part of HTML that indicate the title on web page, and HTML has 6 different title tags like H1 tag, H2, H3, H4 tags. These tags are also for the optimizing your page, and by using them in a right way you can optimize your page for getting more audience. So let me tell you how you can write perfect H1 tag. The thing is, you don't need to use all H tags. Use only one H1 tag because it is very important according to customer point of view, and try to answer user intent with H1 tag, and try to use long focused keywords in H1 tag, and try to write H1 tag between 20 to 70 characters, and these characters should be more profounded with full of meaning and should be readable. Then it comes SEO friendly URLs. SEO friendly URLs are actually those URLs who are simple, very understandable, and contain keywords that indicate the user attention. Definitely, if you use high SEO friendly URL, it will help you to improve user experience as well. Because a lot of people not using computer every time. We have smartphones, and every time we try to open the web pages from the phone, it should be very mobile friendly. So, for example, let me tell you what could be like SEO friendly URL. For example, if you wanted to create a link for SMM audit report, so your URL should be, you can see on this screen, like www.smm-audit-report. Now this URL indicate this report is about audit. This is audit report, and web page is SMM. So like this, your URL should be have the profounded complete information what this web page about. So definitely this type of URLs will help you to create backlinks easily. Moreover, it appears more trustworthy and generate more visitors as well. Then it came alt text. Alt text is actually the description of your image, and it is the optimization of your image that you are using in the article in the form of text. So you can say alt text is actually a alternative text or alta description that you have to write while doing SEO for your article. Let's say if you uploaded an image and that image is non-functional due to some reasons, so alt text help audience to convey your particular image verbally in the form of text. It also help you to engage your audience and improving user experience as well. Let me show you another example of alt text so you have a better idea. You can see alt text is all about optimizing the image. Now you can look, this is an image of dog, and its alt text is all about the features of this dog. In any case, if image is not appear on the web page, so alt text cover all the area and will engage the audience on the behalf of this image. So alt text is all about the ultra description of the specific image, just to engage the audience and increase visitor, just to make a connection between the audience. So this is how SEO of image in the form of alt text look like. So this was all about on-page SEO. But still, if you have any question, any query in your mind, feel free to ask me in the comment box. I will love to answer your all queries, your all questions. So, but still, practice required. Make a free testing website today and practice your knowledge. Be expert in it. Never forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for future updates. Do spend good rest of the day. See you in the next video.